In this problem, we want to write an equation for a line in slope-intercept form. And remember, slope-intercept form is that form where you have y on the left, and then you have some number times x, and that number is the slope, and then plus some other number, and that number is the y-intercept. So how are we going to write an equation when we just have the slope and a point, some point it passes through? Well, let's start with the slope. We know in slope-intercept form that belongs there. So we can write this as y equals 3 halves x plus some number b. Now, how can we find that number b? Well, we have this point, and a point is really an x value and a y value, and when it says that the line passes through that point, that means these numbers will work in this equation. So I could pop these x and y values in for x and y, and then solve for b to find this intercept. So let's go ahead and do that. Y is -4, and then we have 3 halves times x is -8, and then we have our plus b. All right, so 3 halves times -8. 8 divided by 2 is 4 times 3 is 12, so that's -12 over there. We got a -4 here, and we have our plus b still. Now I want to solve this for b, so I'm going to get rid of this -12 by adding 12 to each side. And what we're going to get here, -4 plus 12 is 8, so b equals 8. So our equation for our line then is y equals 3 halves x plus 8. Just because our form says mx plus b doesn't mean that this can't be negative. If you came up with a negative value for b, you would just say minus instead of plus there. But this is our equation in slope-intercept form.